Hello everyone. Here I am presenting you COVID-19 analysis, which is a part of the Spark Foundation GRIP internship. You can see on the screen the total confirmed cases all over the world and the total vaccination done. After that, this is a world map where you can see the spreading of COVID-19, which is gradually increasing from the 2019 uh, to 2022. Here you can see in the lead United States at the top where the maximum number of COVID-19 cases are observed. After that, the India is at the second level and Brazil at the third level. So you can see here the European countries having the maximum number of COVID-19 cases. After that, in this chart, you can see top countries where the cases are really at the big number. Uh, so here is the Asian countries with the maximum cases. I did here the dynamic legend in which you can choose in between the total cases and total deaths. So if I choose total deaths, the all graphs will change for the deaths, in which you can see the United States at the top, where the 5,71,000 cases are 5,71,000 are deaths because of COVID-19. After that, the Brazil at second level, and India is at third level. So after selecting on the cases, in this corner you can see I did analysis on the basis of the years. So in the year of 2020, you can see the minimum number of cases are in the 2020, which are gradually increasing from the January to the December. And after this, in 2021, the cases are increasing and much more cases are in 2021. After that, in 2022, cases are at the maximum, but in September and October, the cases are gradually decreasing, and at the end of October, is suddenly it's near about zero. Uh, so this is a really good thing. In September, cases are decreased. So this happened because of the vaccination, because in the world, maximum number of the countries get the vaccine, and almost 75% of vaccination done in this year. So after that, in this sheet, uh, I did analysis the factors that affecting the spreading of COVID-19. So there are lots of factors which are affect the spreading of COVID-19, in which cardiovascular death rate, diabetes prevalence, and the thousand uh, hospital beds per thousand are available. So these are factors. So in this chart, you can see the hospital beds per thousand in the Japan are maximum. After that, South Korea and North Korea. So the beds available is really important thing, because if COVID-19 patients are observed in particular country, and if there is no beds are available, no medical treatment is done on that patient, then this patient will lead to the very critical situation. Uh, so in North Korea, you can see the beds availability is really good. It near about 11,000, but the human development index is near about zero. So because of that particular bar is showing in red color. So in this particular graph, you can see the cardiovascular death rate in Uzbekistan is really at big number, which is not good thing. But in Uzbekistan, the number of bed available and the human development index is actually at good. Because of this, in Uzbekistan, the number of COVID-19 cases is at the minimum level. So this cardiovascular death rate is really bad impact in our world, because near about 17 millions death are happened because of this cardiovascular heart rate. Uh, After that, you can see the average population, or you can see the vaccinations done all over the world, in which China is at the top level. In China, the maximum number of vaccinations are done. Then India is at the second level. So in this chart, you can select dynamically the continent. which if I select the Africa, the all titles are changed for the Africa, and all charts showing the data and graphs uh, regarding to the Africa. If I select to the Europe, then all graphs will change for the Europe, in which you can see the GDP of Luxembourg is maximum in the Europe, and in North America, United States are at the top for the GDP. You can see the all charts are changed dynamically for this region. So this is really good analysis. Okay, so thank you Spark, giving me opportunity to do this analysis. Thank you so much.